Welcome to Blackrock Inspired. In the deep caverns of the soul, where hate takes hold and grows, it thrives on doubts, on fears and woes, eroding joy as a river erodes its banks, replacing laughter with sorrow's cruel pranks. Its grip is icy, its whispers seductive and sly, promising power but delivering a lie. For while it tempts with a vengeful glee, it binds the hater, never truly free. The chains of animosity pull tighter each day, making it harder to break free, harder to stray. From the dark path, the spiral downwards so steep, where memories of love are buried deep. Nurtured by envy, by misunderstanding and pride, hate pushes compassion and reason aside. In its mirror, our lives seem as foes, twisting every story, every truth one knows. Yet amidst this darkness, a glimmer persists, a spark of hope in the dense hate-filled mists. For as consuming as this emotion can be, the power of love, patience and empathy can set one free. Challenge hate with understanding, with grace. Look beyond the surface, beyond the outer face. For deep within every heart, even one consumed by night, lies the potential for love, for unity, for light. But remember, when confronting this beast so wild, that the true battle is internal, within the heart of the child. The teen, the adult, each person you see, for hate's cruelest prison is often the soul it won't let be.